This 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 290RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features a carbon interior, sleeps 4, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, external shower, DVD player, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, TV, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 290RL is 11,254 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.